Hello, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's Google SEO video, I'd like to share with you how I got site links for my website. So I want to walk you through the process and the steps that I took in order to get site links very recently on this particular website where I collect emails and so I can get in contact with maybe perhaps you. So this is going to be what I utilized and hopefully it can help you. So let's not waste any time. So first and foremost, I want to talk about which I feel is the most important factor and element to this, which is your page structure. So if we take a look at my page structure, I want you to see that I no longer have a header, which I utilized this on another site and it worked like magic. I just picked between the header and footer, and I'm not saying that you have to do this. I'm just saying this is what I did to get them to pop, all right? So I made it from left to right, the most important links from on the left, reading to the right. I also no-followed the less important links, like such as terms and privacy policy. This particular page, which just leads out to Facebook, it says consulting, it's so you can get in contact with me. But these two here are follow links, then they are my most important pages. So that was step one. Setting up the structure, making it very evident what are the most important pages so Google can find them. Let me show you step two of what I did. So on this particular site, what I went ahead and did is inside of here, if you take a look, I'm using the all-in-one SEO plugin. Now you can utilize any one you want, but it just makes it simple for WordPress. So let me go ahead and show you this. If you take a look here, of course, my titles are here because a title tag is very, very important for your on page. But I want you to take a look here. Inside of the description, all right, what I did is I removed all descriptions other than this one here because it's for my training and I needed to add to the density. Remember, meta keywords and your meta description are counted against the overall page densities, all right? They're all counted. It's in the source code. Everything is counted. So by adding more, it could hurt you or benefit you. It's up to you. It's up to Google, really. But in any case, what I did is I took away all of these values in the description, and then I let Google decide what my page was about. Let me go ahead and show you. So Chris Palmer Marketing. So that's my email collection, so you can get in contact with me. So if you take a look here, my most prominent, which again are follow, they're prominent down here on the page. These are the only two that are follow. Contact and SEO, left to right. Please take note of that. Now, by taking away the description, Google decided what the pages are about, and they populated the description here, which this is a great description. They decided what it was, what my site's about. Inside of contact, again, contact by SMS or WhatsApp. Here's the phone number, yada, yada. And SEO, it talks about the training because that's what's on that page. So that was the second step. I cleaned out. Now, I stumbled on this. I didn't stumble on it, but I was watching some other sites. And on my other sites, I implemented these tips. They were like test sites that I'm playing with and learning on. I implemented these tips and it worked. So I was like, okay, I'm going to follow the structure on my site, and it worked again. All right. So in any case, and all sites are different. I've worked on client sites where I've utilized these types of things, and some clients, they don't want you doing these, these types of tactics, taking away headers and footers, deciding for them, exactly what's most important. But this is for you so I can help you. All right. So in any case, step one, the structures, header, footer, make it prominent. Follow links of what's most important. Next, I took away the descriptions. All right. I let them decide what the pages are about. After that, the next step was I want you to take a look here. I pulled this up on my main home page. I'll do a copy and a paste, which I've already done to speed up the video. And this is the LDJSON, which I went to a site that was in my niche that I ran through the structured data testing tool. All right. So after you pull it, and then I added my own details. All right. So this is the LDJSON. Now, what I have on here, just so you know, the web page, the image object, Facebook, the URLs, the same as. I used the class of the Yoast schema class, all right? They have to be named. That's why it's there, even though I'm not using the plugin. So that's LDJSON, the URL bar. I let them describe the pages. The description is clean. The next thing is this. I want you to take a look over here at my plugins. And just to speed up the video, the installed plugins to add microdata was Dublin Core, and as you can see, the RDFA plugin. Now, these two things you can add to your pages manually, but if you're working with WordPress, it makes it very simple. So, brief rundown. URL structures make it very, very simple. From left to right, wherever they are in the header, make it simple. The pages that are non-relevant, make those no follows. After that, clean up the descriptions of each page. Let Google decide what the description is. Take away the meta keywords as well, because it counts against your page. It could go good or bad. Same with the descriptions. After that, what I made sure of is make sure that your schema is on point, LDJSON, and then as an added bonus, you want to mark up the rest of the page that's important with some micro formats, micro data, such as Dublin Core or RDFA. So I hope that this video is very helpful. I hope that your Google SEO has been advanced after seeing this. My name is Christopher Palmer. If you have any further questions related to SEO, related to PPC, Facebook ads, digital marketing in general, if you need consultation or training, reach out to me. But I certainly look forward to seeing you in the next Google SEO, how to get Google site links video. Have a blessed day.